here.
Hi, I'm Dick.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ladies TV, and my name is Elizabeth. So in today's video I'll be showing you machines, engineering. This is called science of engineering. I will be showing you machines for industrial use, home use, and different kind of things. For pools, the machine you use for operating your pools. Exactly. So right now, take a look. So guys, we're here.
I'm feeling great, but I think it's a little bit boring today.
Okay, so today we'll be rounding up with this event for this company over here. How fun! So they do what is it called? Ventilation system.
Yes.
So guys, that is it. We've had lunch. We had something to eat. We just bored and drinking something. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. So the event is finished, and these are my friends. Natalia.
I'm fun. Are you fun?
She's an astrologist. Oh my god. She could tell you everything about yourself, your date of birth, where you're from.
Just start.
No, she's good. And that is Dick.
Dear here.
Hi, I'm Dick.
Okay guys, so thank you for watching and bye, ciao.